Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to send photos inside Gmail. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. Alright, there's a couple of ways to do this. So I'm going to show you the first way. So open up your gallery and then find the photo or photos you'd like to send inside your Gmail or even videos. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use this photo. So now I'm going to click into it. And then at the bottom, you've got the share button here. So I'm going to click on the share button. And now I'm going to choose Gmail. It's right at the bottom. If you scroll left to right, it's there. So I'm going to click on Gmail. And now I'm going to send it from my email account. And then put the email address who you'd like to send it to in this box here. You can also give it a subject. And you can compose a message too. Alright guys, the second way to do this is to open up your Gmail account and then put in your user or the person you'd like to send the photo to here. So I'm going to put in tutorial is. I'm going to use that as a quick demonstration here. Give it a subject, photos, and now where it says compose message, click on the little attach file at the top here, and then click on attach file, or you can insert from Drive, but for this demonstration I'm going to use attach file. And then choose that image you like to send. So I'm going to go ahead and click onto gallery. And I'm going to go on the downloads. And then I'm going to use this image here to send. And then click on done. And now this will attach it to the email. So I've got two photos here. If I want to remove an image, I'm just going to simply click on the X button to remove an image. And once that is all well and good, click on the send button. And that email has been sent with the photo or photos attached. Also videos you can add in too. Alright, that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.